How to upload Reels on Facebook page. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Facebook, and once you do that, switch over to the page. Once you do that, go to the main page, then scroll down to the posts section, in which you will see the Reels option. Click on it, and here you get to choose the reel that you want to use, and then you will land on this editing page where you'll be able to add some audio, text, and stickers, etc. Once you are done, click on next at the bottom right. Then here you will get to add a Reels description, and you will see the visibility of your reel, and you will have this option to enable the remixing or not. And once you're done, click on the share now button at the bottom to post your reel, and as you can see it says uploading reel, and once the uploading is done, your reel will be uploaded to your page. Let me refresh the page. Once the uploading is done, you will see that your reel is here. You might just have to wait for it depending on your internet speed. As you can see, it tells you that your reel is uploaded and you can view it now, or in as you can see, the reel is here. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can upload Reels to your Facebook page. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.